Hello, welcome back to the Berdu channel. In this video, we'll continue exploring how to manage your website's form submission data. In the previous video, we discussed how to create web forms, label, and manage the data submission report. Do check that video if you haven't already. Now, let's learn how to follow up the customers based on the submitted forms. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials, click the like button below, and also turn on the notification bell. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded and installed the WhatsApp application on your PC. Once you've done that, please log into your Berdu website's dashboard. Go to Reports and then Data Form. Here you can see the form submission data that has been collected, which we have talked about in the previous video. In each data entry, there's a WhatsApp button, indicating that we can follow up on this data via WhatsApp directly to the form submitter's phone number. But this button will only appear if there's a phone number input column in your form. It won't appear under two conditions. First, if your form doesn't have a phone information section. Second, if you have a phone input column in your form, but the type you're using here isn't phone. So, if the type you're using is text, number, or anything other than phone, the system won't detect the presence of a phone number for follow-up chat. Thus, you must use the phone type. Okay, now let's go back to the Form Data Report page and click on this chat button. Here are the WhatsApp message template options available in the Berdu WhatsApp app, but we can also create custom templates. To do this, click the Settings button, then go to WhatsApp Templates, check the Custom Template box, and add a new template. Let's name it, for example, Default Reply. The template content can be set here. In this template, we can also use variables according to the input field names in the form. This template is just for example purposes. So, in essence, the variables here follow the column field names in the form. For text writing, it's not case-sensitive, meaning the use of upper or lowercase letters doesn't matter, as long as there are no typos. It must be exactly the same as the text in the form. Let's save the template. Now, let's look at the data that comes into the form again. Let's say we want to follow up on the data submitted by a visitor named Smith. Click on the WhatsApp button here, and there's one template option we just created called Default Reply, complete with variables that have been replaced with the name Smith. If we want to follow up on other data with a different name, for example, the name will automatically change following the existing variables. Then simply click Send, and the WhatsApp application will open directly. Please log in by scanning the QR code, or if you're already logged in, you can directly send a message to the website visitor. But this WhatsApp template is optional, depending on the type of form you create, assuming you finish sending a WhatsApp message to the form filler. The data that has been followed up will have its chat logo color changed like this. This one has been followed up, and this one hasn't. To change its status, simply check which data has been followed up, then click Change Status and change it to Followed Up. This makes it easier for you to track which data has been followed up and which hasn't. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow the Berdu social media accounts for more interesting content. See you next time.